And why does it matter? All of this, I'm actually looking at our times on this. This is a long lecture. This was a lot of dense information. And when you think about it, evolution, it's kind of silly. Like they do whole classes just called evolution. Every single topic that we've done in this class, we could say that about. And we are doing one lecture on the mechanisms of evolution. I think they're really cool. I find them fascinating, but why do they matter? These mechanisms will give rise to life on Earth, and that's where we're headed next. This is just a little teaser photo for you of our next lecture. Is going to talk through our timing, like where did it start? Who was the first critter? He's a buddy named Luca. Say hi, Luca. And the dog next door is named Luca. Luca isn't as nice. Misha is a very nice dog next door. She comes over to visit. Luca is like not so sure about us, which doesn't matter because Luca is the common ancestor, whatever. We'll get there. But how did we get from one cell to what we see around us? And then, oh my gosh, I can't wait to talk about what we see around us. Good work. Way to make it through this very dense lecture, and see you next time. Bye-bye.